Um, yeah, I was so looking forward to sitting there in my little corner. But they
I don't think it's right that other people think they have a right to stay warm
right.
like we do.
Exactly. How dare they?
I mean,
don't they understand who
is that
we
total
are?
selfishness?
This is the Morgan estate. This is the Morgan estate, and these are the caretakers. This one and that one, they're the caretakers.
They never use their firewood place unless it's cold and snowy. We use ours all the time.
It's true. We use. I bet you they don't. I bet you they don't. I bet you they did it just on purpose, just so they could have all the firewood. Because they're like, oh, the Morgan estate. You know how selfish they are, and we're not selfish. We're very environmentally friendly. We don't waste nothing, right?
Environmentally friendly. Yeah.
Exactly.
I remember when I was cooking that spotted owl, and I was using the well blubber to do that.
Stop it. You're not being serious. I know you're not. Anyway, I'm going to be back in that chair. Of course, this one is going to try to hog the space on this one.
Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about the spotted owl in the well.
Stop.
Because there might be some people watching, and I love whales and everything.
Yeah, we do. He's good. He's a good guy. We're both trying to go vegan. Well, maybe him a little bit, but me more so. Maggie, that's not so bad laying there. You always want to lay with me, and I never have any room. So, see, you look so happy there with Daddy. I hope you're not looking sad, because you do look a little sad. But look, you're in a good spot. You've overtaken your one with the couch. Okay, so here I am. Hi, Maggie. Here I am, about ready to take a bath. This is my little bathroom. I really love the color pink. It's not my favorite color, actually, blue is, but this is getting ready to take a bath. And I went to sleep. Hi, honey.
You making a video?
Yeah.
Just come to give you a kiss, tell you I love you.
I love you too, my love. Mwah. I'm gonna take a bath and just relax and.
But you look good.
But I don't know if I look good, cause she murdered my forehead. Remember this one? Uh-oh, she's hoping to get some food.
Who's a chip?
Anyway.
Sit.
There's my
way to buy you right on TV.
Good girl.
There you go.
So I was watching Unrest. I can't figure out if I liked the Unrest. It's Jennifer Bria. She talks about what it's like to have chronic fatigue syndrome, which is what I believe I have. I have been diagnosed with both chronic fatigue syndrome and I've been diagnosed with fibromyalgia. So, which is why you aren't looking at me currently, because if you did, you might die. So anyway, right now, I was thinking about chronic fatigue syndrome and having it and everything like that. And you know, it's so annoying because I keep thinking there's something I can do about it. I think that's the thing that's so annoying, is you feel like there's something you can do about it. And then when you try to do something about it, it doesn't really work. Hi, cutie pie. So I got Maggie to keep me sane. So getting back to like what I was talking about. Oh, I really wasn't talking about it. But okay, so let me just show you. This is my setup for when I do my makeup. So I got my mirror here, and then I have this light. And that's why, like, when I go off to the side like that, that's why it does, because the light is so concentrated. So, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? So I got this off of Vanity Planet from Hotlook. And I am going to try this guy here. Oh my goodness, 7 times? Listen, I just want a little bit of reality, not too much. I love antique denim. I have these other, well, first of all, let me just show you what these look like. I love embroidery. I'm such a sucker for it. I don't know if it's because of my Eastern European roots, where they do a lot of embroidered fabrics and stuff. I'm trying to find my party pants. Where are my party pants? I call them my party pants. I'll show you my party pants. These are also by Antique Denim, and I think I spent like $80 on these, and I have no regrets. I have had these for maybe 10 years. I love those. Good morning, everybody. It's actually morning. Hi, kitty kitty. Look at how cute he is. What you doing? Did you want to play? Did you want to play? Huh? Did you just want some love and attention? Yeah?
I'll be in the room, leave you alone.
Good.
Oh, I gotta do a little bit of the kitchen.
Yeah, a little bit of the kitchen, that would help me so much, and then I'll get going. Hey, Maggie the pooper. You're the mad pooper. You're the pooper bandit. Gotta deal with that situation. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get the house going. So look at this. Look at the house. This is the before.
Hey, everybody.
And yeah,
This one, is this fine? Yeah.
Yeah, that one's fine. But this way it's gonna be awesome afterwards. And the bed, look at the crazy bed, it's all insane. Look at the duck cat, he's so cute. So hopefully we're gonna get this house back in order. It's gonna be awesome. So this is the finished product. One of the things that drives me crazy because I use so many layers is that I can never find something that can go and match the dust ruffle, so it's kind of a mess there. But this is basically, guess which side my husband sleeps on? Yeah, you know, it's the 94 blank pillows, that's my side. Just a purring and a purring. There you are. Check it out. So I'm gonna try my best not to do that thing, you know, with the brighting. So I got everything set up. I got my lippy, powder, eyes. This is gonna be a quick makeup. Hello, muchachas and muchachos, muchaches, everybody. Hello, everybody. So, as I was mentioning, I got my makeup like super close to me. I got it all set up. I'm just gonna do a quick 5-minute. I'm gonna roll this down so I don't get any makeup. We're just doing a 5-minute thing because we're gonna try, hopefully, I feel pretty good. We're gonna try to just run some errands, but I wanted to look kind of spiffy because that's what I do. I'm always overdressed for, seriously, I'm one of those people that would be overdressed at a grocery store. I've calmed it down a little bit, but I still have my moments. So, start with this. This is the Color Correcting Foundation and Primer Stick by Ulta. And this is in the color Creamy Natural. I'm going to give it a shot. I usually, like, this is the 5-minute face, basically. What's that? It's a 5-minute face, basically, like as I mentioned before. What I'm going to focus on is a little bit of concealer here. Brows, deal with the brows. I want to give this e.l.f. Cream Pot, Smudge Pot, another chance to redeem itself. This is in Ain't That Sweet. I've never tried it before, so we'll see how it goes. It's extremely greasy. Okay, so far I don't like it. It's too greasy. I think that would just break up in half a second. Yeah, so I'm just going to go over this with powder with my Ulta Double Duty Foundation, Wet Dry Press Powder Foundation, and this is in warm. So I'm just going to do the face. You see this little scar here? You see that? That was my dog. She got me really good. She has a pink studded collar, which explains everything you want to know about what kind of dog she is or want to know. She's a girly girl, but she's tough. She's like Joan Jett. And so I was playing with her, and you know, one thing about when you have a dog, you always have to kind of be kind of like that, because you never know, they're going to clock you, get you somehow. They don't mean to. And so she got me really good with her stud, because I had my head down when I was playing with her, and boom, she got me with the stud. And then look at this. Let's see if you can see that. See that? She got me good there too. Don't worry, I don't cut myself. Okay, so we're going to give this a whirl, the Elf Smudge Pot. See how that goes. I'm not adding my Jordana. I just want to see how it looks just by itself. I absolutely love it. If it doesn't crease or anything, I'm going to love it even more. All right, next is my brows. Just using an Elf lash brush. Like I said, I'm not going all out today. I just want to be presentable. Still using my Wet n Wild Universal Stencil Kit for my brows. I'm not going too crazy. Just enough to kind of give it a little bit, you know, just kind of fill in the missing patches. Look at that crazy scar. Jeez. So I just did the powder. I didn't add anything else to it. I usually go over it with the Gimme Brow and the Anastasia Brow Gel. Just doing that because can't be bothered, and plus, like I said, I want to get out of the house before midnight. Is actually, if you go to CVS, I think that you can get these at CVS. I want to say these are Frida Kahlo lipsticks. I'm a huge fan of Frida Kahlo, and I just love the packaging. Can you see that? Sorry about the light, but yeah, how cool is that? So I think I'm going to go with that color. Guys, so that's the look. Just a little lippy, a little bit more cleaned up. My scar. Wanting to feel kind of sassy. Let's see. Now I'm wanting to look a little sassy. So this is my outfit, mostly thrifted. Just got these cool boots. They are ankle boots. Can't. Anyway, they go up. They're just ankle boots. I really like them. There we go. I always like to feel a little taller. Thrifted jeans. This is my piece belt. Got to make sure it's a men's belt. So I always I have this thing where I have to make sure to put it on the right side. Because if it's upside down, the peace sign is like the sign of the devil, and I don't want to have anything like that, so I always make sure to flip it on the other side, because if I put it on the girl's side, it's upside down, and that's yeah, I don't want to be about the devil. What if someone sees that? They're like, oh, she's about the devil, she's a Satanist. I don't think they're thinking that, but anyway, just being silly. So I gotta look sassy going to the dollar store. So here's my sassy look. What do you think? Great shot. Boom! Fierceness! Go for it! Yes! Woohoo! I gotta tell you about this jacket. This is a Custo Barcelona. It's lined in like fleecy, some kind of fleecy material. And at first I was like, I don't really like it because I can't really wear layers. But that's the whole point. You could just wear this, something slimming, and then you just wear this and you're good to go. You don't need any extra layers. So yeah, very excited about this. I'll try to take some pictures of it.